but the breathwork healing that you're talking about is definitely more of I would say a healing modality, like a ceremony of sorts, because it's your, like what you're doing when you're breathing is that you're activating like both your sympathetic and your parasympathetic nervous system, right? So you're allowing the body to move energy in your belly, in your chest, and then you're exhaling. But as you're expanding the belly, right, you're opening up not only your solar plexus, that center, you're also opening up like your sacral below, you're opening up your root energy. So we hold so much energy in our body, and you're opening up your heart, you're opening up your throat, your third eye, your crown. So when you're breathing in this fashion, you're also you're moving into a different state of consciousness, which is why a lot of people say that it feels like they're doing a plant ceremony, because you're doing that. You're moving past your normal thinking brain. You're bypassing the mind so you can enter into that different state of consciousness. And then when you're in a different state of consciousness, you can see things differently.